Welcome back. So we are just entering Anacortes, Washington. We're gonna do a quick drive through. Wow, look at that view. There's some amazing houses here on the backside, and we're gonna take that back road to Oak Harbor. Oh, we are not on the main road. We'll go up that road instead, I guess. I was gonna say, I don't remember ever seeing all these yachts before. Wow, that skate park has so much graffiti on it, it's covered. Wow, Sante State Park. Or no, Sante Park. Never been there before. We gotta check that out. Wow, their Safeway is busy. It's a nice little park to that is Sante Park. That looks really nice. I like this town. It's definitely got some history. Look at that big old boat, Dunlap, in front of us. I think that's a tugboat. It looks like that thing is huge. If it is a tugboat, I didn't realize they were that big. Underwater. Makes sense though. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of cool restaurants here. You know what? Let's go right. Rockfish Grill, that looks fun. We ate at a restaurant down here, oh gosh, 2 years ago. Well, we're gonna turn around here. Yeah, this is better than Port Townsend, which I forget how nice it is here because we don't come very often. It's so far away, and it's almost impossible to get a ferry in the summer unless you make reservations. But this is Anacortes, the main drag. I can't imagine how busy places are going to be this summer, you know, if COVID is finally like done, as far as we don't have to worry about it. I hope they keep the outside seating because it is nice. Village pizza. Love pizza. Ah, the Tokyo Japanese restaurant didn't survive. Union Tavern, that looks really neat. Wow. Coconut Kenny's, that sounds fun. Anything with coconut in the name and Kenny can't be bad. Well, I'll show you the regular part of Anacortes real quick. We're back to the Safeway. Honda Preludes. They don't even make those anymore. The thing is old. That was back in when they made their cars to last. Lucky Chopsticks. I don't know if that's a restaurant. It sounds good. Oh, here's a place called The Market. That looks like a really awesome grocery store. I love grocery stores like that. Little independent farm to market type places. You got a Mod Pizza here. Wow. This place has changed. Buxton's. That looks neat, whatever it is. Oh, never mind. I thought it was a restaurant. I'm not really sure what it is. I think it might be a school or something. And there's the local homeless person. Fortunately, they got that here. Oh, this Thai kitchen place looks awesome. It's in a really cool building. This is a neat town. As long as you don't have to be in Seattle to work. Fidalgo Drive-In said best fish and chips. Oh, we're gonna go right on 32nd Street here. Show you some of the neighborhoods. go to D Avenue, it looks like. I really hope I get lucky on getting on the ferry and don't have to wait long. That would be awesome. That would make my day. On the left with a gigantic yard. They have a lake called Cranberry Lake. So this is D Avenue and we are headed north. Couch, free couch. I should put it in the back of the truck. Not. Oh, school bus. This is a hill. A lot of dogs. Looks like she's going to Volunteer Park to the right. So now, this is the road that takes you to the San Juan Ferry terminal. We did that once, or maybe twice. It was really fun. We didn't take a car either time though. We just walked on. Once we stayed at a bed and breakfast, and once I think we just went to the big town on the big island. I can't remember the name of it now. And we weren't impressed. But that island, they have little golf carts you can rent and drive around. It's actually really big. just can't get over all the nice houses along the water in Washington. There's hundreds of thousands of them, it seems. I mean, where do all these people get their money? They're so nice, most of them. And the views, oh my gosh. There's so many rhododendron out here. I remember that from driving here in the summer when I used to be in the area, and it was really neat. Yeah, this is where all the rich people live back in here. All these nice houses on the hills with the view. There's actually an airport back here. Anacortes Airport Terminal. I had no idea they had an airport. I mean, I'm sure it's not very big, but they got it. Oh, this is neat. I love the houses on the right there. They look like Cape Cod-ish. Ferry terminal parking lot is huge. I didn't remember it being that big. Definitely bring your RV there and park, and then go over as a foot passenger. But I think we're gonna end this video. That was part 2, potentially, of driving around Anacortes, Washington.